What if I told you this beach didn't exist just a few years ago? No tourists, no road, no destination. All of this was once just empty land. But one massive project changed everything. This is how a road created a beach, and how Lagos is quietly building one of Africa's next coastal destinations. This was the coastline during the early days of the Lagos Coastal Road project. No activity, no reason to stop here, just the Atlantic Ocean meeting untouched land. At the time, this place wasn't a destination, it was simply part of a construction plan. Fast forward to today, and everything has changed. The road reshaped access to the coastline. The land opened up, and suddenly, a new beach was born. Not through tourism advertising, but through infrastructure. This is what development looks like when it creates opportunity. So what makes this beach different? This beach isn't just somewhere to visit, it's somewhere to feel. 1. It's brand new. This isn't an old, overcrowded beach. It's fresh, open, and still undiscovered. 2. Better access. The coastal road makes getting here smoother and faster, something that didn't exist before. 3. Space and calm. Wide shoreline, open views, less noise. A rare feeling of calm in a city like Lagos. If you're a traveler, this is a new experience. If you're a content creator, this is a visual playground. If you live in Lagos, this is a new escape. Perfect for beach walks, drone photography, peaceful sunsets, and weekend relaxation. This beach isn't just somewhere to visit, it's somewhere to feel. This beach represents something bigger. It shows how infrastructure can unlock lifestyle, how roads can create destinations, how cities evolve. Lagos is not just expanding, it's redefining its coastline. And this beach is only the beginning. Today, this beach is new. Tomorrow, it could be iconic. If you enjoy stories of transformation, development, and hidden places, subscribe to the channel. This is Lagos. This is progress. And this is history in motion.